Guys, so today we're going to show you how to enter DFU mode on an iPad. So first I'm just going to show you that this iPad is iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Here you see on iOS 15.6. Now, okay, let's get started. So first, I recommend entering recovery mode because if you don't enter recovery mode, then you could potentially cause file system corruption on your iPad or cause corruption and slow down the iPad. So what you're gonna do is first know what you're gonna use. So we're gonna enter recovery mode first, and it's on my iPad. It's an iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So grab your USB cable and then plug it into your iPad. It's okay if it's not a computer. I'm just plugging it into a wall charger. So here we go. And we're gonna enter recovery mode by holding these two keys. We're gonna hold it until they reboot. And keep on holding until we see recovery mode. Oh, that actually just turned it off. So that failed. So we're just going to take this and press and hold the home button while connecting it to the computer or wall. Okay, so device is now successfully in recovery mode. Now, this iPad has a home button, so we're going to hold these two keys for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this thing is now successfully off. You see, now some people would just be tempted to press the home button, but that actually just does nothing. So to exit, we're gonna hold the home button and the power button together until it opens up. Here we go. We have exited DFU mode. And make sure if you're exiting, unplug the cable first. Here you go. Alright, it actually successfully now rebooted. It takes a bit of time. Everything is now back to normal. All my apps are back. And we'll just see if Wi-Fi is connected. Yes, it is. And now we can start doing stuff again. Yeah, like that. My bookmarks all work. The features are still working. And it didn't corrupt anything. Stuff. Yeah, so nothing has been corrupted and stuff. So that's good. Nothing has been corrupted. Now, if you did get any corruption on your device, then that means you haven't entered recovery mode. So please enter recovery mode first before you enter DFU mode. That's it. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time. Bye.